Hello again, guys. Let's get crafting. Today I'm going to do a pattern review of a kit by Premier, and it's with the Elle yarn, and the kit comes with everything you need to make it. This is just beautiful. It comes with a yarn needle, which it's a wooden yarn needle, size K. That's what it comes with. And in this beautiful little pouch, we have a label. Isn't that awesome? And we have stitch markers, lots of them, and a nice metal yarn needle. Not a cheap plastic one, a nice metal one. So it comes with that. And it has 3 different yarns. Let me show you what it makes first. This is it. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Can't wait to make it. Here's some other kits they have available. And this is some more pictures of what it looks like. It's a beautiful cowl. And another color option they have. Now let's look at the yarn. All right. This is from Premier Yarns, the Elle by me. And this line is called Charlotte. And the color is ebony. And this Charlotte line has 196 yards, or 180 meters, 5.29 ounces, 150 grams. It is 60% acrylic and 40% wool, and it's a size 5 bulky. And this exquisite yarn is also by Elle by me, and it is from their line Odette, and the color is salt. Look at that, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous yarn. Hope you can see it, how gorgeous it is. It is 328 yards, or 300 meters, 3.5 ounces, or 100 grams, and it's 23% polyester, 22% alpaca, 22% superwash merino wool, 18% metallized polyester, and 15% acrylic. It is a 5 bulky. And the other yarn that it comes with is also Elle by me, R.R. Lee line, and the color is Mirror Ball. We have 77 yards, or 71 meters, 3.5 ounces, or 100 grams. It is 55% polyester, 36% acrylic, 9% metallized polyester, and it is a 5 bulky. Isn't that gorgeous as well? Look at that. I can't wait to make this. All right. And the kit itself, it comes with all this. And it was $30. I did pay for it myself. I have no financial interest with Premier or anything. So I just bought it myself online, had it shipped to me, and I'm going to start on it. And when I get that done, which the next time, I'm going to add it to the back of this video. And And also guys, don't forget to look at my pumpkin video, which has a free pattern from Premier that I just did last week. Which is up and available. All right, I finished the cowl and it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. It's a beautiful cowl. Nice fabric. It's just beautiful. This was an easy project. Anybody, I think a beginner could do this. I'll show you how much yarn I have left. All right, I've got this much of this ball of yarn left, which I believe you could get a whole nother cowl made out of this with all three colors. And this is how much I have left of this one. And this gorgeous yarn right here, I used all of it. So if you wanted to make the exact cowl again, all you'd have to do is buy 2 balls of this, or buy the kit and then buy 2, you know, an extra ball of this gorgeous metallic lovely yarn. See how the fabric is? I mean, it's so soft. It just looks gorgeous. Beautiful. It drapes really well. See, it just folds on its own. Really, it's very soft. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I helped you to decide to purchase this. Like I said, I don't get any money from Premier. I bought this myself just because I thought it was gorgeous and I thought you guys would like to see it. So I hope you have a great day and have fun making all the crafts you like to make, and enjoy yourself, because life's too short not to be happy. See you later, guys. Thank you.